Liberalism began mostly with the French Revolution and the Industrial Revolution, and most of the ideas came from the Enlightenment. Then it was commonly known as classical liberalism, and many of the liberals favored the idea of sovereignty of the people, and they supported laissez-faire. And laissez-faire mostly meant that government is best which governs least. Adam Smith was one of the first to introduce the principle, and he believed that economics shouldn't interfere with the government. Utilitarianism was like liberalism, and this theory was centered around human and moral foundation, and it maximized the utility and it just reduced the negative. Jeremy Bentham and John Stuart Mill were the main people that came up with this theory. They believed that an action is right if it leads to happiness, and it was wrong if it led to the opposite. And it was an effort to just answer the question, what ought a man to do? Now, liberalists, their political views were, they really supported the representative government and a constitutional monarchy, but most of the rights were given to men and, well, just men that owned property. They believed that those were the people that should have franchise. And liberalism, the background was mainly a response to the Industrial Revolution again, and it was built on the ideas of Adam Smith, John Locke, Thomas Malthus, and Jean Baptiste. And John Stuart Mill was just the one that gave liberalism its greatest expression, and it just drew an understanding on individual liberty. Liberalism today is mainly associated with ideas like welfare state, which is a system just focusing on the well-being and rights of citizens.